Imagine your body as a bustling city and blood as its highway system. Just like any city, keeping these highways clean ensures everything runs smoothly. Here are 3 natural ways to purify your blood and keep your inner city thriving. First up, water. It's not a fancy solution, but it's effective. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps the bloodstream flowing efficiently. Think of it as the street sweeper of your vascular system. Next, consider your diet. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables act like nature's cleanup crew. They help reduce oxidative stress and eliminate pollutants from your blood. Lastly, exercise. When you get moving, your blood circulation increases. This not only delivers nutrients more effectively, but also speeds up the removal of toxins. So drink water, eat clean, and keep active to naturally purify your blood. It's like giving your body's highways a daily maintenance check.